So a lot of times people always are asking, how do I power all of these bushes? And they'll make jumpers of different types. And so I'm going to just show you how to make one jumper into feeding everything for all of these bushes. So I'm just going to throw that over there. We're going to start off with a female because that's what's going to go on here for these plugs here. And we're just going to put our female on here first. Like normal, we just put our female on there. My fingers are already hurting because I haven't got enough calluses on there yet. I guess I'm gonna have to do it anyway. And then we'll wrap it like we normally would, so that way it don't come unplugged. And then what we're gonna do is just go from one bush to the next one, and then we're just gonna Z across here. And that way we can power all these bushes and we can power everything, and it all looks clean, and it's just an easy way. Again, these are the inline females, so we will have to knock out the little knockouts. So we just knock out the knockout, get it where we want it at, take it. Again, just do the inline. You can use your fingers, or if you get tired of your fingers start hurting, you can use the back of the plier handles. And then we're just gonna plug up and go over to this one. Another female right there. And we're just gonna do this all the way across. And again, this is how we're able to feed multiple bushes off of one line. So we can feed multiple bushes off of one line. So that way it keeps it simple and easy. It's not rocket science. I know a lot of times people get confused of how to do this. And we'll plug it into that one. And sometimes you do want to keep them up off of the ground if you can. So that way it's less chance of a problem. So sometimes these bushes are harder to do that, to get them up off of there. But we want to keep them up off the ground as much as possible. And I know some people are like, why don't we just jump the minis? Because it looks stupid if you jump it this far. So this is why we want to just take our inline females, figure out where this one is, right here. I'll put it in here. And again, this is just an easy way to use one extension cord that's going to power all of this up. We don't need to make a bunch of little jumpers. We can literally just do it with this here. And then we'll go over to this bush here. We'll run it around here to the middle here. And then we can power it either off of that line, or I'll run it up here to keep it hidden, whatever you want to do. See if I got two more females here. Pop these out. Will give me enough it'll reach to the plug. Do we want to take this truck so we can unload my truck? Because I've got all that stuff in there from my truck.
When they get here, we can go.
I've got them now. I've got it. All right. So you can see how we used one extension cord. Took me 10 minutes, and I powered everything in. And I just ran the extension cord from one bush to the next and just ran it back and forth. I even powered my stake lighting. This is actually going to go over here, so I didn't have enough power. I made it short enough where it'll go there. But that's how we can power our bushes and not have to make a bunch of little jumpers. We can make one big jumper and make that happen. So again, that's what you can do. And see you in my next video.